I started my AMD training with Dr. Liao August 2021. That's the first time I heard from him, and I started watching the videos and doing the Zoom meetings. That's how I started my training. How have my patients received my training? Well, I'm very open about when I'm learning something new. And when I'm really excited about what I'm learning, because I have seen what it can do, it seems like this gets transfers to the patient. So one of my most rewarding things is when I can see a patient do an exam, identify that they have impaired mouth syndrome, and I go down the line on the signs and symptoms, and I see a light bulb that comes up in their heads and their eyes open. They're like, oh my God, that makes so much sense. And I'm like, right? So that is one of my most rewarding things. And again, I don't pretend that I know everything. I don't pretend anything. I let them know my road, from when I started and where I am. And something that I reassure my patients is that I am in a mentoring program with this fabulous dentist, Dr. Liao, and we consult with everything. So they get two dentists in one. So I have a few cases, but I'm going to tell you that one of my most rewarding cases is my sister. And she was actually my first patient. And she was the one that when I saw the results, I'm like, okay, this works, and I'm going for it. So my sister has severe sleep apnea, could not sleep through the night, had to get up numerous times at night, drinks gobbles of water. She had a lot of neck pain. She's got fibromyalgia. Well, about 2 weeks, 10 days to 2 weeks, wearing the appliance during the phase where you just are getting used to it. She sent me a text message because she doesn't live in the country. And she said, I just want to give you a report. She says, my neck pain is gone. I'm sleeping through the night with my lips closed. I'm not drinking gobbles of water, and I'm not going constantly to the bathroom. And I was like, wow, that was amazing. That was very rewarding for me, of course, because it's so close to me, it's my sister. So that's the one of many. My recommendation to other dentists about AMD training is, if you are looking to help all your patients that are in pain, AMD training is amazing. I, for years, went to a lot of training for appliances, oral appliances, TMJ appliances, and nothing seemed to work for my patients permanently. Sometimes I didn't know what to do. I had to send them out of town because there was nobody around. So for me, AMD training has been amazing because I have been able to help my patients that are in pain that nobody can, and nobody can figure out why. So for other dentists that are looking to do that, this is fabulous. My recommendation to other AMDs in regards to mentoring is, my personal opinion, my personal journey is that I could not have done it without Dr. Liao, but that's me. Him and I have been able to work on cases that I would have never in my wildest dreams been able to, because they're too complicated or impossible. So just having the support anytime, any moment, any day has been amazing for me. I am looking forward, probably within the next year, concentrate more and more into my patients that need airway, impaired mouth syndrome, and probably bring an associate so they can do the general dentistry.